Hello everyone, you're on the Handmade channel. In this video, I'll show you how I make a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9 out of modeling clay. Welcome to the work in progress sculpting format, where I show you the car when it's not fully finished yet. Here, you can take a look at some elements of the car from the inside and see how everything is arranged. I'm making this car out of two types of clay. This is regular hard sculpting clay and also a special very hard NSP clay. At the moment, almost the entire body of the car is ready except for the hood and the roof. The shapes really stand out and we can really recognize the Mitsubishi Evolution 9. In order to achieve such precise shapes, I sculpted the car using blueprints. I cut them out and used them as templates. I would apply them to the car and check if everything turned out the way it should. I even specifically photographed the rear part and measured the lines of the bumper and headlights with a ruler to make sure there was still work to be done. And I also use a 3D program to view the car itself. There's also an engine here. Look how well it's highlighted. It will be possible to recreate it in great detail. And of course, I also look at the model in Forza Horizon 4. Inside the car, you may have already noticed the foil. It's needed so that the clay keeps its shape and doesn't sag. There are also frame elements on the doors made from strips of clay. That's what I used to attach the side body panel, which, by the way, is only 1 mm thick. Making the Mitsubishi is very interesting. It's a beautiful car, and creating it just from clay gives me a lot of enjoyment, because it's turning out really well. The roof pillars, even though they're also made of clay, hold their intended shape. NSP clay itself holds its shape very well. And I also applied super glue to them from the inside. Now for clay, they're pretty sturdy. And there's no need to use wire for reinforcement. I'll make the trunk openable. Right now, it's just removable. What color should I paint it? I can't decide. I kind of want to make it traditional red, but it also looks great in yellow. So, let's vote. A poll will pop up in the top right corner of your screen. Choose which color you'd like to see on the Mitsubishi. And I'll paint the car in the color you choose. Well, that's how I'm managing to work on it. I hope you found it interesting to see how it's turning out. Subscribe to the channel if you're here for the first time and you're interested in my clay creations. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.